Okay, listen, this is going to be a quick look on what we're looking at. Uh, if see, it already hit its target, let's see if it's going to create a low off of there and hit the 116. That's XPO, Visa. Uh, we're trying to see if it's going to hit its strike price target and hold support um, off of there. Its target is going to, that's my 20-minute. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Still have to break this support here. This is 620, 640. 1, 2, 3 for it to reach this strike price. Okay. Okay. Let's look at Tesla. Tesla. Everybody's um, coming strong out the gate. 1, 2, 3. Is it going to hold this support and come down? You see that? I want you to see that. Is it going to hold? I don't know. Do you guys see this on the screen? Kind of. Is it going to resist this and come down? Resist. 1, 2, 3. Come down. Okay. Resist this market high and go down or continue to go up. It hit this target or this target. Okay. We have a new target off of this market. 277, 280. See if it's going to be able to hit the 298, or is it going to come back down and retest these levels? Okay. Let's see what else we have. We did Visa, right? Okay. Yeah, we did Visa. Same thing. Need to see if it's going to come up. And I'm doing this kind of fast, you guys, because the other video that I recorded, it just was end up being a podcast video, but the visual wasn't there. I might still just play it because it's just my voice and me talking and see if it's going to continue to go here off this high. If it makes a market high, resist this market high, then it's going to come down and retest support, major support and resistance. Okay, support and resistance. Boom. It may do all today. Just have an idea. Let's see what else we're looking at. We did XPOP, so Oracle. See what Oracle did. Oracle. It created a high, so it needs to come back and retest this, hit the target of 152, or it's going to come back and retest their retest these levels here, 146. This is all it may do, or this is all your target prices, but still you are going to buy in between. If it hits its top and go down, this is your price that I would buy in 148, 148, 147 to catch 146. Okay. And 143. That'd be just if it breaks through this, then it's coming down here and retesting these to create support. Okay. It's Friday. And then I make that big of a move. But this is what you have to keep looking at. Let's see what else. Um, it's pizza, Netflix, Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? Let's see. Bitcoin looks like this could have been a top for Bitcoin here to re and Bitcoin could come down and retest this here area, 96. But if it holds support of 97, there's another one, 96. I'm gonna post this now. I just want to look at yeah. This is it can drop down and create support here and then go back up, hit 97, 97, 7, and then hit 98. But right now it must hold it looks like if it resists this, then this is your targets where it's going down to. Okay. And then if not, if it holds support off of this high here, retest 97, then you're looking at it to go in you're looking at it to hit 98. Go back up and retest on 98. I'm just going to post this really quick just to get a look so you guys can see. You have to go back on my other videos. Okay. All right.